Are you fluent in English? If you're watching this video, then maybe you need to find out a few ways that are going to help you get there. In today's video, let's talk about some ways that can help you improve your fluency in English. Are you ready to get started? Then let's get into it. Do you want to take a test, or are you going to be traveling? Then you may need English for a restaurant, hotel, or just to get around town. Do you want to use English for work? What are the types of English words that are used in your job? If you are in technology, for example, you're going to need English that works in that environment. This will be the English that you're going to start with first. Are you going to have a job interview? You may just want to be able to understand music or movies. First, figure out what you want to do, and the way that you go about studying English is going to be very different. I remember back when I was in university, I had a friend whose main goal was to learn Japanese, and the only reason that he wanted to learn Japanese was so that he was able to watch anime or read manga on his own in Japanese. So really think about why you want to learn English, and then that's going to really focus the way that you're going to study English. Next, you need to live your life in English, and by this I mean you're really going to want to do things that you generally love, but do it in English. If you like sports, for example, try to do things in that sport that you like in English, or you can also take the chance to watch that sport that you love with someone that speaks English so that you'll be forced to talk about it in that language. When I first got to Japan, I was really into basketball, and the first way that I really got into being able to speak a little bit of Japanese in a comfortable environment was when I started to meet people who played basketball. I was able to go out with them on Wednesdays, Saturdays, and the first Japanese that I really started to learn and be comfortable with was in Japanese. So really think about what you like in English and then find a way that you can make that activity part of your English learning. This way you'll be able to pick up some new vocabulary and phrases because it's going to be a little more comfortable for you when it's attached to something that you love. So make English fun for you. Don't think of it as something that you just need to study. This goes back to my first point. You really need to know what it is that you want to get out of learning English. Don't worry about making mistakes in the beginning. The most important thing about having a conversation is being able to understand what that other person is saying. Then, if you are able to understand what they are saying, that's when you have the makings of a great conversation. So instead of worrying about the mistakes, make sure that you're able to get your message across. Even if everything isn't perfect, if you are able to be understood, then it's okay. I had a friend who was learning English, and even though she wasn't the most fluent speaker, she was able to go into any situation, and with the English that she did know, she was able to get her points across and was able to communicate just off the strength of her personality. And even native speakers make mistakes in their English from time to time, so don't worry about it. Even when I'm filming these videos, there's so many times that I make mistakes that I have to keep going back, correcting myself, and making sure that I can get better. So think about that when you're learning English, and don't worry about the mistakes. It's getting your point across, being able to be understood, understanding the other person, and that's going to be the most important part when it comes to learning English at the beginning. Mistakes can help you learn because you'll know what not to do if you get yourself into that similar situation again. And this is one of the most important things about speaking English. So try using words that you already know to get your point across, and if the other person can understand you, you're well on your way to a great conversation. Now, if you are learning for a test, then that's going to be a different story and a different set of skills that you're going to have to focus on when you're learning. But for today, let's focus on fluency and having conversations regardless of the level of English that you're at the time. Okay guys, if you've made it this far, I hope that you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful for you. If you did enjoy the video, how about let me know down in the comments below, why do you want to improve your English. And then if you got some good benefit out of it, how about share this video with someone else that you think it would help? If you're interested in learning more English listening, how about check out this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you.